Is scheduling chaos slowing your team down? For the water and wastewater industry, managing events and coordinating teams used to be a nightmare. Enter the Zoho CRM Event Calendar widget, a custom-built solution that turns scheduling challenges into seamless operations. With drag-and-drop simplicity, auto-filled account and deal details, and dynamic participant updates, this widget makes scheduling faster and smarter. Switch between weekly and monthly views for better planning and ensure your team always stays on track. No confusion. No double booking. Ready to transform your scheduling process? Let Zoho CRM's Event Calendar widget take your operations to the next level. Streamline your scheduling today. Visit boostedcrm.com to learn more.